See, this is an ongoing process wherein operations are going all over Kashmir and Jammu region. Yesterday we were at Rajouri, we were at Pandaye. 2 terrorists were eliminated in operation by police and army together. And there are reports about more militants still roaming around in that area after crossing over from Pakistan. Similarly, Pak and its sponsored agents from across are trying to activate certain OGWs to make them active militants. Kishtwar police was keeping a track of such elements, and they've been able to lay their hands on some of them who had joined militant ranks and were just about to go active and resort to acts of terror. I compliment Kishtwar police and the forces working here who have done a good job. They are also on lookout for some other characters who are hand in glove with the elements working in Kashmir. We are aware that Pakistan and its sponsored agencies are looking out for people who could be involved in terror activities. They are hunting for people in Doda, hunting for people in Kishtwar, and similarly in other regions of Rajouri and Poonch and some parts of Riyasi. There are also reports that Pakistan is Pakistani terror outfits like Lashkar-e-Tauba and Hizbul Mujahideen and Jaish-e-Mohammed. They are looking for an opportunity to carry out some major terror attack in Jammu region and in Kashmir region. Our forces are alert. Our police is working in close coordination with intelligences and other security forces. I'm confident that we'll be able to thwart such designs of the terrorists. But those people who are involved in supporting militancy and sustaining militancy will not be spared.
Sir, are you going to confiscate the properties of Jamaat Islam?
This has already happened. A very large number of properties were confiscated after the Jamaat was banned, and more such properties when we established that they are being used for supporting terror structures and supporting terrorism, definitely will resort to those actions. Hundreds of such properties have been seized so far, hundreds of them. नौजवान बच्चे जो हैं अपने स्किल में और अपनी एजुकेशन पे फोकस करें, और नौजवान बच्चे जो हैं अपने इस डेवलपमेंट के पाथ पे चलते हुए अपने कैरियर को बनाएं, अपने माँ बाप को सपोर्ट करें और जम्मू कश्मीर में एक अच्छे माशरे को तमील करें और उसमें अपने आप को और आगे बढ़ने का मौका दें।